advice we get that we are on the start of a real estate curve. And then, of course, gold as well has been doing well. Both these are traditional favorites for Indian investors who did not have too much of financial sophistication and products available earlier. What's your advice? Should one invest in these assets or even invest in real estate through the stock market, through mutual funds?
So let's talk about gold. I will certainly advise all the women not to do with a corner road jeweler shop a monthly investment scheme. It's quite popular today for ladies to go and deposit on a monthly basis certain amount, and then at the end of 11th month, you get ability to buy a jewelry with certain discount. Now, there is always a Goodwin jeweler who can become bankrupt overnight and all your investments will disappear. Please don't go into such kind of investments. There is far better way to accumulate gold via gold ETF or via sovereign gold bonds. The second thing I will advise people, we all have pressure in family to buy gold on occasions. And some people buy in bulk, some people buy in small denominations, 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram. Now, please remember that when you buy gold coins in smaller denomination, you end up paying premium between 15 to 35%. If you don't believe me, please go and buy a 1 gram gold from wherever you want and go and sell it to the jeweler. You will realize what I'm talking about. When you incur this kind of transaction cost, it is hugely expensive. You don't get break even after 3 and 4 years in gold at that smaller denomination. Please do SIP in gold ETF. The entry cost in gold ETF is far, far lower than buying small denomination gold coins. Gold is an important asset class. One should invest in gold. The most preferred option is sovereign gold bonds where you get interest income. The second best option will be gold ETFs. And third option then could be physical gold, albeit try to buy in higher denomination rather than smaller denomination so that your cost or entry cost is reduced. In terms of real estate, mutual fund industry has a long way to go and launch really compatible products to real estate. I hope at some point of time we will be able to develop those products. But as of today, you can take exposure via debt mutual funds, which have invested into real estate investment trust and investment trust, or you can take it via equity, which will give you exposure to real estate and home improvement sector. But we really today don't have a product which can give you exposure to real estate like physical buying of real estate.